Welcome back to the Codingame Falling Challenge 23. Last time I upgraded how the light would go on and refactoring my code to prepare for the Gold League. So the summit is finished and we are in the 500 ranks. So it's an upgrade, but it's still not good enough. Looking at my past games, what I see is okay. I go on the top, and from here I lose because he bring back a lot of fish, and now his score made me even if I bring back all the fishes in first, there's only one left. My score wouldn't be good enough. So that's the first part of the problem, is that I don't bring too much fishes anytime I go up, and then I lose a lot of points. And the second point is going to near the ugly fish, and let's see here. And even if I see it, well, yeah, I have a lot of luck. But as soon as I got the fish, I think I know the red fish is here, and I don't care, and I go back like it was a normal fish. And my drone goes in emergency mode. I lose the fish, so here I had this little one, and going in emergency mode make me lose it. So I lose a lot of time doing that because I don't care about the red fish. Here I have once again I have some luck, but I think I have to work on that. Don't go on the fish. It may be difficult, but it will be a good reward. So let's continue. I think the easiest thing to do is to bring back more fishes. And to do that, I will go deeper. I will go deeper and bring and try to get type 2 fish. The problem I see is that, like I said on the other video, going deeper means I will meet more redfish, and then I will be more often in emergency mode, and so I may lose points. So it's not a quick win. The fact I have to do the both thing, avoiding redfishes and going deeper to one. And so even if it's easier to get to go near the deepest fish, I think the first thing to do is to avoid the redfish. So I will find a time when I meet a redfish and see if I see it. Okay, is there any time? Okay, here. So I'm here. It's my drone 2. I see fish 19. Okay, so fish 19 is at 7,100 and around 4,900, and I put it. I put it here. Okay, it's not even close, so I don't see it. but I think I put it somewhere between here and here. So 47 plus 25, 72. Okay, so I think it's between here and here, and in fact it's here. And about the y, I said 25, which is here, and that's a lot. 4300, which make him at 68. 68 is yeah, okay. It's a big box, but it's okay. And now so I don't see it. It will be difficult to debug. How can I do that? I think I will try to go deeper, which will give me more opportunities to be in emergency mode. That's not something I want, but to debug it, it will be easier. So let's go. So when I chase a fish, I will. What can I do? I think I will have to do some score. I can bypass it more. So the best score will be negative infinity by default. I will have to have a best fish ID, which will be -1 at first. And now for each fish, I will have to calculate a score and then compare it to the best score. So here I will remove the break. I will have to okay, here I will calculate the score. So the score will be, let's say, the type of the fish. Do I have the type? No, I don't have. Maybe that's because of that. Okay, I have the type of the fish, so here I put the fish ID, and let's say I will add 1000 points per type. So type 1 will be 1000, type 2, type 3, 3000. So I will go, let's say the higher the type, the higher the score, and if the score is better than the best score, whoops, then the best score, the best score will be my score, and the best fish ID will be my fish ID. Okay, that's the triangulation with the center. I think I will need it here too for later, and then at the end, everything will be outside of the loop, and then we will say if best fish ID is different of -1, which is our default value, which is not a fish. So it means that there's no fish that I can think of. I will change, so get the rectangle of the fish, get the center, go toward the center and request if I should light or not, and change. I think that is not did anymore. Okay, and here, yes, best fish ID, and else I should return false. That's our first case where chest fish will not return a true. So here we have to be careful, because sometimes we won't have any action to do. So let's let it be like that for now, and we will check later. And now, so now my drone will chase the better fish, the best fish, and the best fish should be the one which is at the bottom. The problem is, as soon as I scan a fish, my go up order will kick in, and we will go up because we have a scan. Okay, it's interesting. So here I would like to know. I think I can see it. Let's see with the debug information. Oh. Okay, so we are not able to tell if it's inside, but I think it's the light, and I think I see it. I think I have something to do to upgrade my triangulation, because if I see the fish, my triangulation should be 1-1 in width and depth, because I know where the fish is. And the second thing is when as soon as I have scanned a fish, I shouldn't go up unless it's my target fish. Because here I'm looking for type 2 fishes, I think. Let's verify. So the fish target are 8 and 9, and with 8, with 9. Okay, so it's correct. It's the fishes at the bottom. But here I scan some fish, and my go up method kick in. So what can I do? I may put the chest fish up, but I don't think it's okay. I can, what is my go up is, as soon as my my scans are not empty, I go up. I think I have something else to do. Maybe I have to check that I have a type 2 fish. So let's say if drone scan is not empty, if how can I? Okay, I will drone down scans. It's a list of integer. Okay, integer fish ID, and oops, and I will say if state dot type fish ID equals 2, then I go up. Oh, okay. So even if I have some scans, if I don't have any fish of type 2, I will go up. So now the problem is, if all the type 2 fishes are already up, I will never go up. So I have to do something here. Yeah, and when I say I didn't find any action for drone, I will need to go up. Which is a problem. I will call my method force go up. So when we don't find anything to do, we will go up anyway, and the go up, force go up is here. That's oops, force go up. I think I need the drone and the action. I change method arguments, and I will put that. Okay, and drone action. Okay, now I have a method. When I don't know what to do, I will go up. Going. Okay, so I go up if I have, no, that's not that. I go up if I have a type 2 fish in my inventory. If not, I chase the fish and I will chase any fish, but with a preference for better types. And if any of this is not done, I will go up anyway. Let's see the result. That's still not avoiding redfish, but it's preparation. Okay, so here I scan a fish, but I still go down. I scan. Here I have type 2, so I should go up, but the redfish he will make me an emergency, I think. Okay, and now, like I thought, the going deeper means I will meet more often the redfishes, but I think it will be okay. Here I have type 2, and here I have to avoid the redfish, but I know where he is. Fish, yes, here I see fish 19 is exactly, no, 18 is exactly here. That's not this line, that's this line. But my triangulation is not correct because, okay, I put it in a rectangle that should be okay, but I can have a rectangle which is 1 width and 1 8. So I have to do something for this one. So I have to really know exactly where are the fishes, and I think it will be better for the other fish too. So let's go. The rectangles are here. So I have a rectangle by zone. I have the current rectangles. Where do I update them? Okay, here I update them based on the blips. Okay, I did not make any. Okay, so I intersect the current triangulation. So if I saw the fish, I need to triangulate with the exact position of the fish. So I will make something like this. I see the fish, and so I will exact position and put feature X, feature Y, and it should be okay. So let's create the method, and so this dot X will be the creature, this dot Y will be the creature Y, and the width will be 1 pixel, and the height will be 1 pixel. Okay, so when I see it, I have the exact position, and doing the here the triangulation should be okay. Let's see. Here my goal is to when I see a fish, the rectangle should be 1 1 in width and height, and should be at the correct position. So let's go back. I didn't change the behavior. I may have changed the behavior because now the fish are more precisely positioned. Let's see, here I see the fish 11 and 11, so okay, it's okay. I see the correct position with 1 1 as the center. So it's okay. The problem is when I don't see it anymore, I keep the triangulation. What when the triangulation don't work? Here. Okay, I don't. I have some bug here because if the two rectangles don't intersect, what is the result? So max max min. I have to do. Oh. Okay. I have to draw. Okay, let's use paint. So let's say I have a rectangle here. Okay. Okay. And one here that don't intersect. So what do? I take the max of the x's and the max and the mean. Okay, so max of x0 is what is here. I take the mean, I take this one, and I take the max, I take this one. Something wrong. Max of here the intersection is nothing. So if I take the max of the x0, it's here. The mean is here. And so the mean is mean max. Okay, so I think if it's this one is inferior to this one, there is no intersection, and if there is no intersection, it means there's something wrong. So here I have to put if x1 is less than x0 or y1 inferior of y0, there's no intersection, and then we will something I'm not sure it's clever, but we will say okay, we don't find any intersection, and so we reset the rectangle to the max, and else we do that. If we reset the rectangle to the max, I think it's okay. So here, and I have something for each blip. We get the creature, get the triangulation, and where do I use this zone by type? Okay, it's in init. Why in init? I think I have to do it one more time here. So if the intersection is wrong, I will get back the full zone. So 10,000 multiplied by 10,000, and so I have to intersect again with this zone, and that's the creature ID. Okay, and that's the criticality. No E. Okay. So here, that's the switch. After the intersection, I may have a full rectangle, and then I re-intersect with the habitat zone of the fish. Let's say a lot of stuff to do. So here I see the fish 11, so I have a good grip on his position. But here we saw, okay, we already have 11. Okay, and wait, what after? Here we don't see 11 anymore, but we don't think it's correct anymore, so it's okay. So here we put, why is triangulation at 0? Oh, the fish is exactly at 5,000, and it's a zone, so it's 0 in 8. I think it will be a problem. So I have to, I think I have to augment this one. No, I will do in the intersection. So I will say if x 0, if width equals 0, width equals 1, and if 8 0, 8 equal 1. Okay, it's a kind of word close to avoid having 0 width or 0 8, because I think it will cause me problems. I'm not sure, but I anticipated. So let's go back, and now what did I want? Nothing. Oh, see, okay. Now, so here I see 18. Okay, 18 is here, and 18 is here. Okay, so here I have the correct position, and so I will be able to see the fish and try to avoid it. So let's how can I do that? I will, in the AI, when I chase, or when I move, in fact, because going down or going up, it's the same thing. You have to avoid the red fishes. So let's put it in here. First thing, let's try to anticipate when the fish will get us. I have to go back to how I think the fish is moving near the current position of the drone for the next turn. It's a little bit complicated, but so the fish will target our position now if we are in the vicinity, and then move, but we will have moved ourselves with our action, and so we will have to check for the collision in the movement. For that, we will reuse the code of the referee, and I think it will be correct. But for now, I will stop here. I'm going to submit, I think, because I have a better better positioning of the fishes, and see if it's upgrade our ranking. I think going down will be a problem, but let's see. We will see at the end. Maybe we will have a good surprise. Seems like no. So I stop here, and in the next video we will do the at least the start of the avoidance of the redfish. See you next time. Bye bye.